What's up, you guys? So before we get into this episode, I just wanted to kind of clarify or bring you guys up to speed for those who haven't been watching the videos or the recent uploads, or anybody who's new to the channel. So basically, back in December of 2020, the Lexus got into an accident, and it was just a bunch going on at the time with the insurance and trying to figure out what I was going to do because I couldn't drive the car. There was just a bunch of damage to it. So basically I waited for a month for the insurance to deny the claim, and it sucked. That was my first time dealing with insurance. So I got new insurance now, but the car was still down. So I ended up buying this car for the channel and for myself, and to kind of build on. And the Lexus was just kind of sitting at the shop. So I ended up finding some time to just work on the car for, straight, like from Monday all the way up until Saturday, 6 days straight. And then the following week as well, I spent some time on it to get it to where you guys are about to see it get at. So I haven't really been able to have like a lot of time to myself, so there was a lot of like time and effort and energy that went into this. So I felt like I owe it to a lot of you guys that's following me to get the Lexus back, even though I just got the Infinity. And I do want to do a bunch of stuff. I have a list of stuff I really want to do this car. I just feel like I owe it to you guys, so, and to myself, to get the Lexus back to where I feel comfortable. So that's what these next couple uploads are going to consist of, is the Lexus revival. And I'm super excited because I haven't had the car in such a long time, and it was just a bunch going on with it that was unfortunate, but whatever, we're taking care of it, and I learned a lot in this experience. So gotta look at the glass half full and not half empty. So I hope you guys are excited for these series of episodes for the revival, and stay tuned for everything else that's going to come along with the Lexus and with this. So it's all exciting. A bunch of stuff is coming. Enjoy. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to start reviving the Lexus. It is Monday, and I am trying to do it within this span of a week. So I'm going to be spending an immense amount of hours working on it, trying to get it done by the end of the week. So hopefully I can get it done. Really quickly, I just want to give a super big shout out to AUTOHAUS. Thank you so much for allowing me to work on my car and get it back to where I needed to get to, using you guys' materials, etc., stuff like that. So thank you guys so much. Appreciate y'all. I'm going to put this video in somewhat of a time lapse over the work going on this week, to kind of speed things along, not just watching a bunch of segregated videos of me getting back together, but just kind of bunch it all in one. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and start some sanding. I'll probably show you guys a little bit around the car where we're starting from, and then where we get to by the end of the week. I'm so excited to get the Lexus back and running. It's been months now, so I'm sure you guys are waiting too, so we can start adding stuff and get the schedule back to where we were at, so we can get ready for the shows in summer too. So seeing everybody working hard on their bills, the people that I've been following on Instagram, you guys are inspiring me to kind of keep my stuff going too. So without further ado, let's go. Let's get it done.
3 days later.
All right, everybody. So today is, well, the next week, which would be technically the 8th day that we worked on the car. I didn't get to film Saturday, nor did I get to film the following Monday. So the 6th and 7th day, I didn't get to film just because I came in and I just went straight to work. And honestly, I gotta say, for anybody who does body work like this all the time, mad props to you guys, because damn, this thing is not easy to get right, to get smooth. It is extremely hard. I'm glad that I actually had somewhat of a good concept of this type of work, considering, you know, what I do in my job and everything. So I'm really glad that I had that experience, because if I didn't, I'm pretty sure it wouldn't be as good of a job. But it was all me, with some guidance from the homie Juan. So shout out to you, Juan. Appreciate that, man. But yeah, we're basically done. As you can see, all these areas I had to hit and smooth out. This was major big deal because of all the curves and everything. This right here was like literally the last little piece I needed. So, but everything's all good to go. That window's getting changed, don't worry about that. All this is going to be primered, and then after that we're going to be wrapping the car. So when we get back on the next episode, it's gonna be me primering or AUTOHAUS primering the car, so that way we can get it ready for wrap. I hope you guys are excited as I am for the Lexus to be back, because I'm not gonna lie, even though I've been driving the G, excited to get this back and going. You know, I do have, you know, some sentimental value with it, so I missed the car. It's been a while since I've driven in it. The next couple episodes are gonna be pretty exciting, you guys. We're gonna be throwing on wrap. I have an idea for the new wheels, and one other thing that I'm not going to mention just yet, but just stay tuned, you guys. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys give a big thumbs up and a subscribe if you like what you guys see. And to all you other guys supporting me out there, I really appreciate it. One of the reasons why I feel like, you know, this needs to get back up and running as quickly as I possibly can. So thank you guys in advance. That's all I got for this episode, you guys. Make sure you guys live long and prosper. It's all about longevity, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.